Hello, we're finishing up lesson 4.4, and we have the line that passes through these 2 points. That's all the information we're given so far. That's all right, we can handle it. So we've got to work with point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So I have to have a point, I have to have the slope, and at this point I do not have the slope. So remember, slope y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's substitute that in given our information. 2 minus 1 all over 4 minus a minus 7. This cleans up to 1 over, this becomes 1 plus 7. 1/11th is our m. So m is 1/11th. So plugging that in point slope form. So I have, and I'm going to use this first point here, y minus y1 is equal to my slope, 1/11th, times x minus a minus 7, which becomes x plus 7. So here's my point slope form. Now we need to do some work with slope intercept. If you'll recall, y equals mx plus b. So y equals everything else. So I've got to remove the grouping symbols and move the -11 or -1 over. So getting started with that, y minus 1, let's distribute that 1/11th. So 1 times 7, 7 over 11. Now we have to add 1 to both sides. And if you recall, I need to write 1 in terms of 11ths. So 11 divided by 11 is 1. So working that out, y equals 1/11th x plus, so 7 plus 11 more, 18 over 11. And there I have my slope-intercept. Now, standard form. If you'll recall, standard form, ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are integers, no fractions. So we need to take the slope-intercept form and get rid of those fractions. And we also need to move our x term over to the left side. So let's do that first. So I need to subtract that x term from both sides. Now I have -1/11th x plus y is equal to 18 over 11. Now I need to get rid of those fractions. Too much fun. Not really, but we got this. Okay, right now I'm dividing by 11. 11 is in the denominator. So how about we multiply everything by 11? And so when I do that, 11 times this -1/11 becomes -x, because the 11 divides out the 11. 11 times y, 11y. And finally, 11 times 18 divided by 11 leaves me with simply 18. And so now I have my equation of a line in standard form. See ya.